good. So we're set. We just have to share the screen somehow.
Yeah, so click on the button on the bottom of your Zoom window as the share button, and I'm recording the session, so go ahead when you're ready.
Okay. Select a window or application you want to share. Zoom Cloud Meeting, right?
No, it'll be a share button to share your screen. So in the Zoom window, you're in there, you go. Perfect.
All right.
Just minimize that or X that off.
Yep. No.
And also I'm going to request remote control so we can both control your screen so I can click on things also.
Yep. Approve.
Okay.
Okay. Are you in?
So yeah, I'm going to go to the website now, please.
Go to the, which one?
The Top 3 Expert website.
1 second. How do I move this? There we go. It's in the way. All right. There we go.
I don't see it. I see a Zoom window thing in the screen here.
Oh. Okay, just give me a second here.
Are you using 2 screens?
Yeah, we've got 2 screens.
Okay, maybe you can disengage one of them.
Oh. Okay. Yes. How's that?
All I see is Zoom.
Oh, cancel. Oh, I see. What do you see? Zoom now?
I still see Zoom.
The green one?
I don't think you go in there.
So whatever screen you have the Zoom window on is the one I can see.
Okay, just go back over to yours, open up your screen. Yeah, we don't have, there's nothing, no Zoom window at all that's open. We don't have nothing open here.
Has a big picture of Zoom
in
front of my face here. So it looks like your mouse is over the minimize tab.
The mouse is over the minimize? Okay. No, we never just.
It says Zoom Cloud Meetings.
Yeah.
Maybe do a page. Yeah, yeah. So get rid of that. Click on that and the X in that. Get rid of it. Huh, there it goes. Okay, now it's gone. Oh no, you're not sharing your screen anymore at all. So click on share again. Oh, now you're gone all together. Now you've completely dropped off the meeting. Okay, I'm recording again.
Okay, I'm back to.
Okay, go ahead. I'm recording now.
Oh, okay.
So you said the Alberta heading?
Okay, yeah, you see the Alberta, British Columbia. Can you make all of those capitals as well? But take away
Yeah, no problem. I'll make everything, I'll go back in and make everything capitals.
Yeah, but take away the this little arrow thing.
That's the top level things work on in WordPress. You can't take it away. It's just the way they work.
Okay, can we actually put a different type of?
Don't believe so. It's just that's how WordPress is coded for pages and subcategories.
Okay, so it's got to stay there.
Yeah.
Is what you're saying.
But I will make them all capitalized.
Okay, fair enough. Okay, we'd like to take away the black line around the boxes.
Okay.
So they look this.
Okay, I'll work on that. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, see, different.
Yeah, no problem at all. I'll work on that. Okay.
Okay. Go ahead.
So I just was taking notes when we went through it as well. So I apologize if they're in the wrong order. Do you know what I mean? But the redwood ad at the bottom, we were wondering if it changed on every city. Like.
Yeah. So we want to know. I mean, we're going to be marketing each of the centers in the cities. And of course, we're not getting any money from people signing up. We're going to be getting money from people that want to say, I want to put a hotel says, I want to put a display ad on the bottom of 10 of the categories in Calgary and Edmonton and all the major
Yeah,
cities.
I'm sure we can do that. Just a matter of, I will need those banners from you.
Okay,
Okay.
fair enough. And then somehow, just kind of show us, how.
Yeah, if you want to actually just go to another tab and log in the back end of the website.
Oh, okay.
So open up a separate tab and then just at the very end of .com, just press in,
Okay,
just type in,
So you want me
just
to
copy the address there. I think I have remote control of this now, don't I? Let me just grab it myself here. And just do this here. C, and then here, and then here, and then paste, and then WP-admin. Okay. So type in your credentials.
Can you do that, or type in the admin one? My one doesn't work. So if you type in admin, at
Just
the
do
end-
Ali's in.
Yeah. So is it just?
So it's admin?
I think
No,
that-
it's not admin ever. I never use admin. It's probably Ali, A-L-I.
Oh.
Sorry, I'm just looking for.
Okay. And who all has a password for this?
You guys do?
Like I have one under Kevin as well?
No, I haven't created a Kev one for you yet.
Oh, so just Alan.
Yeah.
I have one too, but it doesn't seem to work out.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why it doesn't work for you at all. Once again, just log in at Ali's temporarily till we get things figured out.
Hold on, sorry, I'm just looking for it in my list here.
So which one is this? So this is for the WordPress now?
Yes.
Okay, we'll better write this down. So this is under, so what is WordPress then? Is this nothing to do with?
WordPress is the CMS, the content management system for the website.
Okay, so nothing to do with Bluehost.
Nope.
Okay, so WordPress content manage, M-A-N-A-G, management, WordPress content management for top 3 experts.
Yep.
Top 3 experts, 1 second. .com, and then it's no capitals, just small Ali. Okay, and then what do you have?
I just forwarded it to you because it's like we should copy and paste it. So
Did you set it to top 3?
So it's capital A for Ali. That should be
There it is. Oh yeah, that's a capital O. Gotcha. Thank you. Okay, and then where were we? Capital A.
Yay.
You got it.
Okay, so probably it'll be in this
Go
section
ahead,
over
Alan.
here called advertising.
Oh, thank you.
So I found that banner creator section we went into, Krista, beforehand, was just
You're
a
still
pain in the
there?
rear end.
Alan?
Pardon me? I was talking to Krista.
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, hello?
Yep. Hello.
Oh.
Check 1 2.
Oh, it's,
Okay, so
Yeah.
anyway, we're back.
yeah, we
Hello?
lost it for a minute. Sorry.
Are you there? So I was talking to Krista. I
Yeah.
said that the banner creator button over here
Oh, yeah.
was a pain in the rear end. Let's just use this one over here instead from now on.
Visual banner.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let's just click on
Okay,
here
just
and then
One
that way
second.
we can get the short code.
Yeah, one
Once
second.
again, I'm recording this, so don't worry about remembering everything. It'll
Okay.
simply be in the Zoom, what do you call it? Google Drive afterwards as a video. Okay. I found when we created the other banner creator thing link over there, it just was a pain in the rear end to do it that way. So.
Okay.
So once
So-
we create this, it wasn't. So what was happening beforehand is it wasn't creating the short code properly for the website. The short code is a piece of code at the bottom of the site. For instance, over here. Fit for a king, probably the bottom here. Where is it?
Yeah, but none of this is something we have to worry about, right?
No, just a matter of
Because
just
I'm
showing,
never gonna,
just showing
we're
Crystal.
never
Yeah,
gonna be.
that's fine. Don't even worry about it even. I'm just
Okay.
saying the banner to show up where it does.
Yeah.
On the back end over here. Then there's a piece of code that goes in the website that has to be coded in there.
Okay, how do we make that bigger,
Make what bigger?
that banner?
Make the banner artwork bigger?
Because it's pretty tiny when we, I'm gonna take the controls for a minute.
Yeah.
Pretty tiny when we look here.
Once again, that's not a banner, that's a video.
No, understand, but there's other places that they have banners and they're still.
Show me. Show me.
Okay, just give me a second here. There you go.
So these things over here?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, okay. So once again, that's not banners, that's Google AdSense.
Yeah, but what I'm asking is how can we get it this big though?
Right. So the artwork itself has to be bigger.
Okay, so
So whatever Chris creates as artwork has to be the size you want it to be out here. Because that's the size she sent me.
okay, so how do we know what size this is? So
Well, Krista's a graphic artist. She can do it. She can figure it out. Right, Krista?
well, no, I don't know what size. Not really. There's a talent to graphic design on its own accord, and then there's a talent on the website.
Right. Let's take a screenshot of this, put it in one of your graphic art softwares, cut it out, and then see what size it is.
Okay.
Well, what if I'm using a big screen TV?
Well, once again, you have to decide how big you want it.
Well, okay, I'm confused, Alan. If I'm on a TV that's 55 inches, I'm not going to create an ad for a big screen TV.
Right. So once again, you guys do graphic work all the time. That's part of what you do for the magazine. Just figure out what size you want it.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, I can try.
Well,
Aren't you the one who creating the graphic artwork, Krista?
Yeah.
Right. So you know about ad sizes, whatever ad size this is.
well, but this goes by pixel. Like would go by
like
the
Yeah.
180
So
by.
yeah. So just put it in one of your graphic art software packages. Figure out what big the pixel size is, and then send me that size when you next time you create an ad for one of your clients on the like one of these ads over here. Just figure out what size it is and create the size of that size there.
Okay, fair enough.
Okay.
So,
Kevin, next.
so how big are these picture ads?
Whatever size Chris has said, let's be back to me beforehand.
So that's why we have different size. These banners are all different sizes. Is that?
No, those aren't graphic. That's not a banner ad. Those are things from the website. You said you want me to tighten things up and make things smaller.
Yeah.
So it's not looking stretched beforehand. We did.
Yeah.
But these aren't banners. This is from the website itself.
Oh, okay. All right.
These are dynamically created by the website, just like they are on this website over here.
Okay. Okay. So what you're saying then again basically is on our site here. This can be.
That can be whatever size you want it to be. You just gotta send me the right size artwork.
Okay.
Okay. And so then when somebody clicks on Prince Albert Once that's loaded up, we can have a different ad completely for Prince Albert at
Yeah,
the bottom.
it's got to be able to figure out how to put the short code in there for that page.
Okay, fair enough. And that's
And
not,
hopefully that'll be in the background over here.
Yeah.
Hopefully that page is dynamically generated in the back with a unique ID, so we can go to that page and figure out what short code, how to put a short code in individual pages like that.
okay,
Okay.
good. So now, okay, so we'll go back home. And we've also got the whole front screen different. We're going to be sending you pictures of Canada, USA.
Yeah, whatever pictures you want in the back end there, just tell me. I'll have my team coded in there.
Okay. I'm not sure why this is stretched like this, and then this is, centered like this.
Okay, I can change that.
Yeah, well, I know it works on my laptop, Alan. On my laptop, it looks exactly like this. But
Right.
on this computer, I don't know why.
Yeah, I don't know. It could be a browser situation. I'll have to have my guys do a cross-browser compatibility test to go on Chrome, Firefox.
Yeah, that's okay. Appreciate it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Also, and that's all on its own, right? We'll be sending that separately.
Yeah.
So we're going to be, these stars are coming out. We've got another graphic for that.
Okay.
And same with the graphic for the top now.
You have another new different logo?
Yes.
Yeah, along the same line, but it just more appropriate now.
Okay.
Okay. So just kind of carrying on, we're going to go to Medicine Hat, and then I'm going to go to the best. Then I'm going to go to Medicine Hat, and we're going to pick the dance. Where's that again? Oh, there we go. Dance school. And here. Okay, so the question that we have here, yeah, theirs open up real quick. I don't know why. Is there a way to get ours to open up quicker, Ellen? Is that a possibility?
No, that's the hosting. That's Bluehost.
So, is there a way with Bluehost that they've got a better package, or
I'll ask them. We'll see. Yeah, I don't think the difference is very substantial at all.
What's that?
I don't think the difference is very substantial, but I can ask them for sure.
Okay. Okay, so now we're here.
Sorry, you're breaking up a lot.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you now.
Hello?
I'm not sure if your internet's very strong or.
No, it's not very strong. It's not very strong at all.
And that might be a reason why your browser isn't opening very fast, is because your internet isn't very good.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, I could probably agree with that without any hesitation. It's horrible. Okay, so a couple of things. We're going to be sending where we want to add on. We want Facebook. We want Twitter.
Yeah.
We want the Google, how you have it here. We have the Pinterest. We'd also like to have, just 1 second, we wrote it down, so.
Where did I?
All right.
We kind of went out of order here.
Yeah.
Pinterest, Google, Instagram was.
Oh yeah, we want Instagram there.
Yep.
But we'll send it, so with an addition like that.
Let's take a look at what they have on their site for a second.
Yeah.
Email. That was another one.
Oh yeah, email.
Yeah, I would only put 2 more in there. In fact, I'm going to probably get rid of Google Plus because Google Plus recently got shut down.
Oh. How come?
I don't know. Google, watch what happens.
Like Kevin, Facebook,
Wow.
Twitter,
Yeah.
LinkedIn,
Okay.
Pinterest, Instagram, and then you were wondering what would
Yeah, just send me the ones you want.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll take Google Plus out of there. And don't make it too many. You want to have a zillion buttons there.
Yeah.
I would say do it maybe 2 or 3 more max.
Okay. Okay. So back to the home page again. Let's see here. Okay. So I think we're good to go on the home page.
No.
Nope.
So you were, I don't want to take over, but these are just
Nope.
the notes I took. How
Yeah.
can we track analytics?
Oh, yeah. So how also are we able to track the Google Analytics or the traffic that's coming to this site?
So give me a second. I already shared this with you. Maybe you logged in the wrong Google account. Okay. I have it shared with Kevin at theexperts.ca.
You
So
have what?
can you log into Kevin at theexperts.ca? So can you log into your Google account at Kevin at theexperts.ca, please?
Well, is that not my analytics for the experts.ca?
Yeah, but you have 2 different properties inside there.
Can I not put it now to my top 3 experts at gmail.com?
You can, I guess so. Yeah, sure. I can add it there.
Yeah, this way then I'm keeping them separate otherwise.
So what email you want to do?
So I want it to be top 3 experts at gmail.com.
And there you are.
How did you do that?
I just added your name to it and then refresh your page.
Oh, okay. So how do we get to that then on an ongoing basis?
Get started, I guess. I don't know. Log into your Google platform. No, where is Google Analytics, man? Okay, here we are. So just log in Google Analytics, and it's right there at the very top.
Log into. So is that now part of my email?
It's logging into Google Analytics.
Okay, so I go to Google. Okay, so log in.
Just type in Google Analytics and go to the page. So what I'll do right now is I'll actually create a bookmark for you here.
Okay. And then how do we find the page?
Yeah,
Oh,
give me a second.
Yeah.
bookmarks. Show bookmarks bar. There it goes. Okay. So I just turn your bookmarks bar on, and here it is right here.
Oh,
See it?
yeah.
Okay, click on that, and you're there.
Oh, okay, and it's where it is right now.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay, and what's it saying right now? Like, can you just, so
Yeah,
there's,
give me a second here. I just got to make sure that I have everything set up
so
on the
active,
back end.
what's that mean?
Yeah, give me a second here.
So that I can invite Krista, everybody, right? Type of deal, or?
Yeah, just give me their email addresses. Okay, so network admin and sites, network
See, look at that, your
admin,
internet connection.
sites,
There you go. Oh,
network admin.
tell me if it, wow, Alan?
Yeah, 1 second, okay?
No, sorry, we lost you there.
Having technical difficulties.
Yeah. It's too fun. Is it possible, Alan, to every, say 10 minutes or something, just kind of restart recording? Like, otherwise,
Why?
a long recording.
Pardon me?
I say, is it possible to kind of have? Why is that doing that?
It's on. His asking Alan was.
Is it on? Is it on?
Yeah, it's on now. He was just asking if there's a way to record like older words.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
Sorry, our speakers are cutting in and out. For whatever
Yeah, I'm not sure why. We're just
I can hear
wondering.
you fine.
Okay. We're just wondering if there's a way to just kind of, every 15-minute increments, stop, save that, and record again so that we're not looking at a, hour and a half or 2 hour long video.
Yeah, sorry, there's no way you can do that at all.
Okay.
You can pause it, but you can't stop it.
Yeah. We can always fast forward.
Let me see here. 1 second. Where is your Google Analytics plugin now? Installation. Okay, so I don't think it's. I go here for a second. Settings, Google Analytics. Here we are. Plug in the settings. Paste. Okay. Okay. So that should be done now. So I just redid the tracking code site-wide.
Okay.
So it should be getting the data properly on the thing dashboard there.
But we won't see it now, I'm assuming.
Yeah, you got to collect some data first.
Okay. And then adding people, or where it says active users on site. Oh, that means how many people are actually on
Yeah,
our.
so you want me to add admins to the site, just give me the email addresses.
Okay, let's do that then, Krista.
Okay, I'm adding her regular email or Gmail for her?
Well, here's what we should do is we should just all have access to the top 3 experts Gmail. So maybe we don't need to.
Yeah, you all log into that, right? Can't you?
That's it. Let's do that.
Okay.
So then
Okay.
it keeps. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So that's good. So we now know now that we just click on here whenever we want to see what's happening on that site or whatever.
Yep.
And so in a few months from now, it's going to show active users, 1,000.
Well, it'll show days from now.
Perfect.
Not a few months from now, but just in a day or so, it'll start attracting people on there.
And just to reconfirm, like when I go to my computer and I do it, I just go to Google Analytics, like click on the link, and then to log in.
Sorry, you're very soft, Chris. I can't hear you properly.
Okay. Here. So here's the thing. Yeah. How is Krista now? Oh, okay. You saved it to my computer, the analytics?
Yeah. Yep.
So when Krista goes to her computer, signs in under top 3 experts at Gmail, how is
just
she?
do this here. Watch.
Yeah.
So go once she's there the first time, just go to bookmarks.
Yeah.
Bookmark this page.
Okay.
And once again, this will be on the video.
Okay.
Like this here, done. And then making sure on here for bookmarks, show bookmarks bar.
Oh, I got you. And then it'll come up where it is on the screen.
It'll be somewhere up here for including her other bookmarks she has.
Okay. And can you hear us both clearly now?
Yeah, no problem at all.
All right, there we go.
My voice doesn't carry at all.
Anyway, okay.
That's fine.
Okay, we're good to go there?
Yeah.
Okay, back to, I'm going to X out of here then. And let's go back to here. And then,
This is at the bottom of my box. The search tab, plumbing, no drop.
yeah. Okay. So
Now you're breaking up now.
let's go back to both of these. Okay, no. Okay, are you there now? Hello?
I'm here now, yeah.
Hello? It's got to be our, okay,
Yeah,
yeah, it's
I'm
just
here.
our internet connection. Okay, so, all right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go find a business, and we're going to go here on our site, we're going to go find a business. Okay, so this one here, watch this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now also remembering, before you do this, remembering their website is built differently. Their website isn't WordPress. It's not going to work exactly the same way.
Yeah, I understand that, but the basics of it, if it can't do what it's supposed to do in this, there's got to be some other way that we can add it on so it's not as chunky. So, and what I mean by that is this. When I go to their site here, and I know they're populated, and that's all good, but when I click in dance, okay, so before I even finish dance, I know they're populated. They come up dance, all of these areas. Now, when I want to go dance and then say Grand Prairie, up comes dance in Grand Prairie. I click on it, and it now takes me right to the site. When I go here, number one, I'll click in dance. I have nothing. I have whatever I typed in before comes up. So I have dance, let's say medicine hat. So nothing comes up in the drop down. We know that we do have dance in medicine hat. And so nothing's showing up, even though we have Krista down as dance, but this just, let's go LinkedIn.
Spelled incorrectly, has two words, not one word.
Yep, I understand. Okay, so then we're going to type it in. Okay, then we're going to go here and typed in linked, L-I-N-K-E-D, LinkedIn, and we'll say medicine hat. Medicine M.
Just right click on it.
M-E-D-I.
You have two eyes in there.
Two eyes in where?
Yeah.
There we
It
go.
was a medicine hat before.
Oh, M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, I don't have.
No LinkedIn people at all, obviously.
But we'll click in. Okay,
Yeah.
so here it takes us here because it couldn't find one if I was to. Now, in my search again, it doesn't come up, but there we'll just say LinkedIn, and we'll just click it. So when it can't find something, when it can't find something, it goes to here. When it does find something, it goes to the parties.
Yeah.
Here, when I typed in LinkedIn, it found you, but I got to click over here before it takes it.
Yep.
So if we can get that fixed.
Yeah, I'll work on that. But once again, you got to realize their site isn't WordPress. It's built totally different, and they probably spent, you know, $5,000-$10,000 on their site to build it. So we can do this for sure.
Well,
it might come out later on, but you got to realize once again, this is not built the same way as their site. Their site is not WordPress. Their site is custom coded HTML and PHP,
yeah,
which is the language they built it in.
Yeah, I understand. However, we are investing a lot of money into this. It's just not out front, right?
Yeah.
So I don't like this. I like how this flows, and I understand they've spent maybe 8,000 or 10,000 up front on it, but over the course of our couple of 2-3 years, it's going to be 18 or 20,000. So I would like it.
Yeah, I'll see from my developers what it will take. It might take a little time, but definitely we can get that done eventually. Yeah.
Into the ease, it looks very good. I start typing. If there's nothing there, it's not here. If I start typing, I hit a drop down of everything that I've done. I don't want that. I want to be able to go to dance. Now, as it fills up, there's going to be a lot more, but I want to be able to go to dance and then have Krista come in because she's filled out something under dance.
Yeah.
If I go
I totally understand what you're saying. I will look into it for you.
Again,
Okay?
I understand they're populated, but I just typed in dance. I didn't touch on anything, and look what comes up.
Yeah.
So now, if anything, Krista should come up there. Now I can enter search here now, and I don't know what else I can search for, but up comes, a bunch of different
stuff. Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Here. So
once again, my team will work on that.
That's all.
I'll get back to you on it.
Have some flow to it there.
Yeah. So we have the search box there in ours. And we have the same kind of result listings. The only we don't have is from the original top right search menu. We don't have the drop downs like they have.
Okay, say that again, because I missed
So if you can see, we have our search bar over here, right? The search bar is over here.
Just
the results are the same.
Your speaker is not working right. Just give me a second.
Yep.
Are you there?
I am.
Okay, that should right. Okay, try it again.
So once again, we have our search bar over here.
Yeah.
The same way they have their search bar.
Yeah.
Right? And we have our drop down or our listings here. The same way they have their listings over here, right? This is our version, right? Only thing that we don't have is this part over here happening.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
And that's the part that people go to, because if we go right back to where we were in Find a Business, we don't have it, right? There's nothing here. People are just searching. Oh, I'm going to go search. I'm going to say.
Well, they don't have that either. So you can click on their site and go Find a Business. Exactly the same thing. They don't have anything. They have this original search bar, the top right hand side. That's all they have.
Yeah, that works.
Yeah. So we have the same thing.
Like, so when I go to their, what's that?
We have exactly the same thing.
No, we don't. We have.
Well, with the search bar, I told you that. I just said the search bar isn't working the same way, but we have the same thing. We have the search bar. If you go to Find Business on their website, their search bar is over here. Our search bar is over here also.
I understand. I'm not looking for a duplicate of the site, but none of the features work.
Right. The only thing that's not working is this search bar on the top right-hand side. This is not working the same way as theirs. I will look into that for you.
Yep, perfect. That's all I want to hear.
Yeah, great. Okay, next.
Well, yeah, so look into it, but fix it.
Well, once again, it's going to take some little time. Once again, the sites are two different sites, and they're built not only different sites, but they're built differently also.
I understand. Before we go live, have it so it runs smoothly. That's it. That's all I want. So whatever, look into it. If there's another option or whatever, then that's fine. Let's do that. But What are we doing?
Just going back to their website.
No, what did you do though?
I don't know. For some reason, the website tab for their site disappeared. I have to turn it back on again. That's all.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Okay, next.
Okay, so just if you scroll down here on this homepage,
Okay, just wait. How come we're here?
So you're
That's
breaking up. I can't hear what
3.
you're saying.
Okay, how come we have this stuff coming on?
Because you're logged in the back.
Okay.
So just get rid of that.
Okay, there we go.
just a little one. So on the homepage, if we scroll down,
Okay, homepage.
We're already there already. Yep.
scroll down.
Sorry, you're breaking up again.
So the title is
I can't hear what you're saying when you're
sorry,
breaking
the
up again. Your
trusted,
internet is
proven,
terrible.
and
I can't hear what you're saying. Can you do it slow again, slowly, please?
Yeah. Can you just give us a call on
Yeah.
the phone? Okay.
Yeah, I'll call you on the phone also.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then I'll turn, once he calls, I'll turn that down.
Let's turn your speakers off.
Yeah.
So I know my voice can be quiet. Like over. Okay.
There we go. You there now?
Can you hear?
Yeah, yeah, but turn your speakers off, please.
Yeah, they are all.
No, I'm hearing you
Okay.
twice.
What's that?
I'm hearing you twice.
Just 1 second.
Does it stop? Is that better?
Yeah, that's better, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, next.
You know, underneath the picture on the homepage, it says trusted, proven, and accepted by you.
Yeah.
Could we just tab the ratings and reviews to a second line?
Yep, no problem at all. Give me a second.
Just moving the ratings. Oh, yeah, yeah. And that's on all the
Yep.
US.
Yeah, give me a second.
Yeah, I'm going to. Oh.
Okay. Okay.
That's right.
Huh, that's weird. It doesn't chunk down. Why not? Edit. Okay. Take this one out here, maybe. Save. All right. Huh, it's not showing up on my side here either. That's weird. Yeah, so I'll work on that with my developer to get that done.
Okay. Next?
Yeah, next.
Is that next?
Yeah, next.
Okay. Next is we'd like to have refer up. So when we go to why is my thing shooting all the way over to the bottom like that? It's really weird.
Okay, so we'll do that at the very end. Refer. Okay, so I think we are finished. I want you to just have a look at this. When you click on the United States, or UK, or Singapore,
Yep.
or anybody, when you click on all of those, and when you go to list of business, street best rated.
Okay. I will look at the individual pages. No problem. I'll get that fixed right away.
Okay. When you finish filling out all of this,
Yeah.
the submit for review.
Yeah.
Stays at submit for review. It does not say afterwards sent or anything like that. The person doesn't know whether or not it's been accepted.
Okay. No problem.
And that's the same going ahead.
Yeah.
That's the same for all of them.
No problem. We'll get it fixed. We'll get it fixed.
So,
Yeah, no problem.
Even when it says, sure. So, where it says link to social media, take off the asterisk in case they don't have a link to social media review.
Okay. No problem.
So, if somebody wants to just type in the review or paste and copy, it can.
Okay.
So I think we should say link to social media review or
Paste your review.
Copy.
Yeah, paste your review here.
There it is. Yeah.
Okay. No problem. Done.
Yeah.
Next.
Okay. Okay. Go back. I'm gonna go back. My notes are all over the place. Yep. So we're back to where. Okay. Yeah. So then, so it's still. There we go. I know. So when we go to homepage, then a city, it'll take us to the category, so pick a city. Okay. So when we go to the homepage, I have written here bigger fonts and on bold. Okay. So what we're gonna do here is we would like the category. So we want these changed. So we're gonna send you an email where we actually are going to put the entertainment one first. We're going to put local businesses ones. We're going to have a way. Okay, so we'll just tell you.
So the way, also remember, the way WordPress is, it's alphabetical.
Yep.
D, E, H.
So we can't change the way to categorize this stuff?
Well, you can change it whatever you want to. I'm just saying it's all alphabetical.
So doctors, if we had the only one with the D for this heading is doctors, there's no way that we can move doctors to where health is and health to where doctors is?
No, it's alphabetical.
That doesn't. It sounds.
These are categories in the back end, and the way WordPress works is database driven. It's alphabetical.
So what if I hidden an A under H?
What if you what?
What if I made on this back end? What if I made an invisible A and I moved health over onto the A?
What do you mean an invisible? I don't know what you're talking about. What do you mean an invisible A?
What I'm saying is, look at the three categories: doctors, entertainment, and health.
Yeah.
You're saying that there is absolutely no way that I could move entertainment over to where doctors is and doctors to where entertainment is.
Yeah, because it's alphabetical. So you can change the heading to an alphabetical heading as far as, you want to change doctors to medical or something like that.
What if it was like A, and C, entertainment, C equals also E, or no, maybe not.
Well, it doesn't make sense. I could have an A right beside the health. It's an A with its .01 font size. Nobody would ever see it. And so, do you understand what I'm saying?
Not really. Sorry, no. I don't understand what you're saying by invisible.
What's the smallest size of font I can do?
The smallest size font you can do on here?
Yeah.
I don't know. I guess 1 point, I guess.
Or point?
A 1 point.
So what if we have 1 point A and then capital HALTH?
But that's not the way it works. So there, you're putting in a category. So go back to the other tab you had on Chrome where you were logged in the back. Like there's categories in the back here.
WordPress more of a
So why are we with WordPress?
so is it like WordPress is like Word? You know what I like? You know, people trying to design stuff in Word is like really frustrating.
Not really. No, it's not like Word.
But I mean, like the equivalent, like
Not really. No.
sometimes when I go to make stuff in like Word.
Right. So here's the back end of the website where we have the categories for all the different like businesses. Wait for it to come up here. So here's the businesses. And here's the business categories. Here's doctors because it's the first letter as far as nothing. And this is top level categories. And then you have like, this is called a parent category. And then you have the subcategories with the dashes over here. When you create a new category, let's say cardiologist, you put cardiologist over here, cardiologist over here, and the drop-down menu is the top level categories, like for instance, doctors. And then it would be a category under doctors. But as you can see, the categories are it's all alphabetically driven.
And there's no way to manipulate that, eh?
I can look into it, but as far as I know, it's all that's the way that WordPress works and most sites work as far as having the different categories all alphabetical. Let me see though if I can create or find an app or a WordPress plugin that you can override that.
Okay. Yeah, that would be great. Just let us know that, and we can send you.
I just mean like when I design stuff, it's just I just place stuff wherever I want it. So whenever I run into that kind of a whisper thing, I'm like, yeah.
Right, but this is not graphic design. This
Right,
is
yeah,
a
I know,
website.
yeah, but yeah, cool. Okay.
Yeah, but I'll look into it though. I'll see if there's a plugin to change the way that the categories display, and if you rearrange categories, not by alphabetical. I'll look at that and get back to you. Okay.
Perfect.
Okay. Next.
Okay.
The city, like back to if you go to a city, where's their site now?
Under locations. So once again, here's the different cities and things. All you gotta do is add a city here. You can edit them easily also. For instance, you wanted this all capitals. Yeah, go ahead.
Can we go back to, sorry, are we done?
Yeah.
Sorry, so let's go back to here, like, the categories. Sorry, the categories page, where did I do that? Categories.
Yeah, they're all here.
The two dots, is that part of the?
No, that's custom coding. That's we can change that easily.
Okay, what do you want, just one, or?
Just one.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
It'll be done.
Okay, so then under the list is
when you click on to category, we don't want to say sorry, no posts were found. We want to say
and send me the verbiage for it, or like add your business here.
Yeah, list your business and then have it.
Yeah, a link back to list business over here.
Because we can't have the 3, is that right?
Yeah. Now, can you make those 3 panels if 3 businesses were to have listed? Can there be 3 little boxes there to say?
I can look at that.
You know,
I can see if we can put dummy boxes in there temporarily. I'll look into that.
Yeah, that'd be good. And then, as well as we want to take a look at the bottom here. So we should have, what's that? What is that? Yeah, we should have a little display ad there or something, right?
Sure, no problem. This is just code to add the ad later on, as far as me knowing where to put it.
Okay, that's what that's for?
Yeah, that's all it's for. Yeah.
Yeah, but it doesn't have to. We can get rid of that.
Yeah. So just give me a banner to put in there, and I'll code the banner in there.
Okay, so then you can just put down on your list, create a banner for the bottom pages of, then you can create a banner as well that says.
Yeah, just email me the artwork, and I'll put them in there.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is under empty categories. List your business.
And make an ad for advertising business here.
Yeah. Okay, and so then when we go to
list it, well, my next note for to list the business.
Yeah, so let's just wait. We'll go back here just for a minute. We're going to find one again. We're going to go one that's in both places, which is next and a half.
You're already there. Don't need to keep on clicking it. Just scroll down.
Sorry.
I'm like, the internet.
Okay, so here we see their ads are listed and up, and ours are listed and up.
Yep.
Everything's working there.
Yep.
Again, we see that. Yeah. And then here, so here again it says this is place for ad file name.
Yep.
So
Put a ad. Yep. Put the ads in there.
We need to have our
Ads up. Yep. Just send me. Just send me the ad banner and where you want it.
Yeah. Well, for now, just put everything as the redwoods. You've got a banner.
Okay.
Just put it in.
Okay. I will.
So, just so we know that they're done, and we know they can all be changed.
Yep.
But I want to see a banner on every page.
Okay. No problem.
Now, also, just looking at here.
Yep.
Is there in this space over here on the left or the right? Is there any way for a small little banner for advertising?
I'll look into it. I don't think so right now, but I can look into it.
Okay. I just want to find as many little places, maybe up in this part here, where somehow we've got one on the bottom and maybe one on the top.
Yeah.
Now, if you notice here, they've got their list.
Yeah.
And we don't have ours.
Well, so we don't have any. There are no populated businesses in that location. If they were, they'd be showing up at the bottom already. So the coding's already in our site. Doesn't matter. We need more businesses uploaded.
So why is this here? Health and medicine hat doesn't have anything, and we've got it.
Yeah, I'll look into that.
Yeah. So I mean, all of this is doing is it's just going back to the categories.
Yeah.
In that particular center.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, I'll look into it. I'll get my guys on it.
Okay, yeah, so then when we go there, let me back up here.
Yeah.
So then when we go to the bottom, here, it takes them back to the category field.
I'll get that
And
working
ours, it takes us,
to this, right? Yeah, no problem. Yeah, I'll make sure that works.
okay, looks like nothing's found.
Yeah, I'll work it.
Yeah, and I like this, again, I don't want them to have record, you know, like Google or whatever. I want it to be brand new, so that I'm
Yeah,
refreshed
that's not going to happen. That's how Chrome works, as a Chrome thing. Not the
Okay,
website, it's
yeah.
Chrome.
Doesn't happen here.
Yeah.
I'm on Chrome here, I'm clicking on theirs, and it doesn't show that I clicked in LinkedIn and Plumber.
Okay, I'll look into that then.
I press here, there it comes.
Okay.
I press here, here it comes. I press here, here it doesn't come.
Okay, I'll look at that then.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Tender list business.
Okay, so we're gonna go now on to list of business.
Yep.
Okay.
And,
So is it possible to make the caution sign, to change it to a stop sign and make it a little smaller?
Yeah, just I can do it, no problem at all. Yeah.
okay,
Okay, and then unlink the first top 3 experts at the very top there, you see?
Okay.
right here.
Yeah, he's just scrolling over. I have here, upon approval, the following business will be listed on T3.
Probably at the bottom. Yeah, right here.
Upon approval.
So for the first top 3 experts link at the top of the page, should I take the whole thing out of there altogether as far as the top3experts.com in brackets?
Top 3 experts.
So should I just remove this whole thing? Let go for a second. Let go for a second, please.
Yeah.
So should I just take this all out altogether? Just leave it, take it out altogether?
Yeah.
Okay.
That sounds good.
Okay, give me a second. I was going to do it right now.
Upon approval. So you wanted to change the wording of step 3. Okay.
Step 3.
Upon approval, the following business will be listed on T3.
There.
Oh, yeah.
It's out.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Okay, and we're
Okay, and so then under step 3,
step 3 here.
Yeah.
Can we change that so that it says, I don't know if you're right there right now.
Yeah.
Upon approval, the following business will be listed on T3E.com.
Okay.
Did you get that?
So just type in the chat box, please. I'll copy and paste it. Here's the chat box.
You want us to type it into a chat box and copy and paste it? Where's the chat box? Right?
At the bottom of your Zoom interface is a little button that says chat.
No, on Dropbox. Don't know.
Yeah, right there, Zoom. So let go for a second. Is this coming up on a different screen or something?
Well, it just says Zoom, join a meeting, sign in.
Okay, just get rid of that then. Just get rid of that. Yeah, so when I type in my chat box, is anything popping up on your screen at all?
No
Okay, so go in that little box that just popped up on the screen and type in the verbiage there.
Right here, chat. Yeah, you type it.
With a keyboard.
Here, yeah.
Not that I'm the best typer at all.
Not that cycle. Let me just click on it again here. Okay, go ahead. No, nothing's typing. Okay, just wait, try. Yeah, go ahead. Awesome, okay, everyone. Okay, we got everyone that's clicked. Type it again. Nothing. Nothing's typing, Alan.
Okay, just email me the verbiage then, and I'll change it.
Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's just quickly. Let's just open up because it's too easy to send, but too easy to get lost. Where's my Word?
Just type in Word here. Just type in Word over here in this box here. Type in Word. And double click over here. Yeah, just type it in right here and I'll just copy and paste it right here.
Yeah. Working? What's wrong again? Okay, go ahead. Wow, come on. Here, we try. Fine. Well, working. Out of there. Yeah, okay, now you'll be able to do it in the box that out. Alright, there you go. Yeah, go ahead. Can't put in this box, probably. Not like that? I just see three. Get rid of .com. Not links. You see that color?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay, what do you want me to do with it?
Are you finished?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, let go.
That's for step 3. We're doing good, team. Okay. So the first 2 pages and everything else is pretty good. Perfect. Yeah, I see it.
There, done. And I'll change the thing to a stop sign, a small stop sign instead. Okay?
Let me get
Great.
rid of this. So we're still on list business, right? Okay, yeah, we're still on list business, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me scroll down to where they can enter their email, or sorry, their web address. Oh, yeah.
There what?
So here, Alan, where it says business websites, Facebook, most people will just be coming on, they'll do what I did, experts.ca. When we fill out everything and then we go to the bottom and initial this and then submit for review,
Yeah.
this keeps coming up.
Okay, give me a second. Give me a second.
Yeah. I mean, I understand it wants to make sure that it's linked.
Yeah, I got that. I'll put a little hidden in there. Give me a second.
Yeah.
Okay, so where is the page? Okay.
We're done 1 out of 4 pages.
Yeah, I'll have to book another session because I only have another 20 minutes left.
It's actually not too bad once we kind of get through this stuff.
Yeah, no problem.
Like pretty much the privacy terms, FAQ about, like those are all good. It's just cool.
Okay.
Tuesday. This way then we have the weekend, we can upload a bunch of businesses and check all the links that way and everything. And then, probably if we did, I'll do 5 or 10 businesses. You can do a couple. And then, yeah, it's got Monday. I know.
There. Okay.
Telling us
Where are we at?
to just add it and include HTTP.
Let's see where we're at right here.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Okay, well, my question is, this part right here, Alan,
Yeah.
why can't that be part of?
Huh?
And so now, you know what I'm saying?
No.
Well, why can't it just be like that? So I got here, I fill this in, I fill that, I fill this, and then I just come here and I go, experts.ca. It's already there, and I just click on it. Rather
Right.
than saying they've got to add it. You know, let's not think that most businesses are, understand URL even. Is
Right.
there a way to do that?
I can look into it.
Or, have it hidden in the background, but then, no, I guess you couldn't. Because if you had it hidden
Well,
in the
yeah, what's going to happen though, if it's hidden in the background, already on there, people are going to add their businesses with the HTTP, the people who have, normal smarts, and they're going to put it in there, and then it won't work still.
Exactly. Yeah, no, it's good. We'll leave it as is. Okay. I mean, they'll figure it out. It's for free. They're listing it for bloody free. So, okay. What else did we have now on here? Just want to make sure that list this business, update business. We talked about going to the token.
Yep.
Yeah. These two click here. The first one doesn't work.
It does, yeah.
Okay. But now it does.
They don't have email software on their system. The second link goes to the contact page.
This one goes to the
Contact page.
Okay, well, the second one's now not working. Oh, okay, gotcha. Okay, good. Okay, and I just now installed the new Windows, so maybe that's why it wasn't working. Okay, reviews at the top experts. So these are obviously linked when people have them set up to their emails.
Well, if they have email software on their computer.
Yeah.
If they don't, they're going to need to copy and paste that into Gmail or whatever.
Okay, and then so that's what we did. We went there, update the business token. We went to the click.
Yeah.
Goes back there. Submit update.
Yeah.
The business goes back again. And then the support. So this one didn't. Okay, so those are linked now. So they weren't the other day. So that's good. And then this one here does go to our Facebook, so we're good there.
Yep.
Okay, now let's go to, again, when we fill out the forms, Alan,
Yep.
we click on the I'm not a robot, we click submit, and nothing. It says processing. It continues to always say processing. Person doesn't know whether or not
let's see for a second. What happened?
No. Did you get the phone instead? Maybe not. No, is there Alan?
Yeah, I'm here.
Well, I think he just hit a button. Okay. It had the backspace button or something like that. Yeah. Sometimes it's true that it doesn't even work. Sometimes it just doesn't come up anything. I sometimes think it is your office and it's like not even saying right. So it just says processing. That's all.
Okay, that's weird. I don't know why. It should be sending. Okay, I will look into that and see why it's not sending properly.
And that's for all of the links.
Yeah.
That come back.
No problem. The process the captcha. Yeah. Okay. I'll look at that. See if it's not working properly.
Okay. So we on update. How come my thing just shoots over?
Huh?
My mouse like that. My mouse. I'll be here and then it's be far right, just like boom.
Like this? I'm on here now also with you right now.
Oh, maybe. Yeah, no. But it's just too quick. Like, I'll be here now, and boom.
Because I'm on here also.
All right. I was doing it before you know it. Okay, fair enough. Okay, so we're at update the business. We're okay there.
Yep.
And we understand that, Alan?
Yep.
Fair enough. Okay. Privacy. Everything that we see in the privacy is fine and working.
Yep.
Again, that's just email. To
Yep.
email us. The Google, that'll just take them to the Google, so we're fine and we made the corrections.
Yep.
The terms. Again, the contact. What's that? Again, when you hit the contact, oh yeah, it takes us back to that form, which just goes to processing. Yeah.
Yeah, we know. Yeah. Yep. I know the form has to be fixed. Yep. I'll get it fixed.
So is that under privacy or terms?
Terms.
That was under terms.
Yep. So the links are working. As a matter of the contact form isn't working because of the captcha code.
Yep.
I'll fix that fixed.
FAQ and bottom contact us takes to 3 that's rated. So where's the bottom? Okay. FAQ. So top. Oh, FAQ. There we go. Okay. So everything's fine here. There was something. Okay. So under this contact form as well, if it's the same, that does the same thing. Yeah,
it's the same contact form for the whole website.
Okay, so then when we get to the bottom,
yeah,
contact form here.
The same contact form for the website.
No.
Oh, that's weird.
At the top.
Okay, I will. Which page was that again? Let's go back browser one. I'll get that fixed in 2 seconds here.
Okay.
That was FAQ page. Okay, I'll fix that right now.
Yeah.
Give me a second.
Yeah.
Edit page.
What's that? For the 3 best rated? What's it say? The T3D service guarantee under what's the system. Oh, okay. Clean up the tax, but we're almost done. Yeah. Well, yeah. So this one here went to the 3 best. Yeah. So he's gonna make that. Thanks. That's a change. I'll check on the update here right now.
And that's done. That's updated.
Did I mess you up?
No, let's go back here for a second though.
Yeah, sorry about that.
That's fine.
Yeah, you picked that one right.
Okay, done. Fixed. So I was on the web page here, FAQ page, went beforehand. I went to the form at the bottom of the page, click on that now, and now it works to our website. Okay?
Oh, love it. Love it. Okay. Okay, so we're going to take you back just for a quick moment here. See, look how it shoots out. Okay, so we're going to go under list business just for a minute again.
Yeah.
And then service guarantee, where's that? The service guarantee. Oh, right. Okay, so we're on the very end. Oh, at the very bottom. So over to the right. Oh, yeah. Remember that thing pops up? Click on here. Yeah. Look at that. It's just shooting over.
That's me.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's you. Okay. Yeah. So when you look at the service guarantee, the tab. Oh, yeah. Can you move the required underneath the A and the communication underneath the P?
I can try. Yeah.
Just so that they're, lined up.
Yeah, no problem.
They look, but I like the drop down. Good job on that.
That goes on terms now also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's all working properly.
Yep, that's good to go. Okay, so now we're back to the FAQ, the FAQ, then the 44-point inspection. I think we are all good there. We may change that down the road.
Yep. You guys can change it also, right? You don't need me for changing things. All you gotta do is go to the page when you're logged in and look at the very top here. It says edit page right here.
Where?
Top of the page.
Yeah.
See, it says edit page here.
Oh yeah. That's what
Edit page. You're right here. Edit page. Yeah. Click on that. Takes you to the back end of the page. You can change the verbiage yourself.
So what easy. So don't make it so easy. That's good. So then we about okay, so roll over. Finding about, where is this again? Oh yeah. Okay, so yeah, this is very, very, very important. So let's go to here, where is it? Okay. So about, okay, so this one here, Alan, is really, really important.
Yeah.
So here we, is this theirs? Yes. I don't want it. Theirs is crappy. Okay. So here's ours.
Yeah. I don't know why it's like that, but big like that all of a sudden on the back end of the website. If you go on the about page for a second here, go edit page. I'll have my developer look at this and see why it's doing this. But you can see on the back end, when you look at it on the back end, it's nice and small and tiny like it was beforehand. I'm not sure why all of a sudden it's big. But as soon as the page loads up here,
Yeah.
so you can see this is how it should look.
Okay, yeah, because we want to load up, about 6 or 7 or 8 different ones like that as well.
Yeah.
Just wanted to show up like that. So
yeah.
Yeah, like
No, there's just logos in the back end. So all I did here was go to add media and load them up. Add media, new window pops up.
Yeah.
You just put the file, you just load the files up from your computer here. So you can do this all scripted. You can go on the page. And if you screw something up, don't worry about it. The great thing about WordPress nowadays is it has a revisions button. So you can go back to the revisions over here. And if you screw something up royally, you just use a slider and go back one page.
Okay. Well, we probably wouldn't do that on our own.
No, I'm just saying though, if you screw something up, don't worry about it. I can go back in here. I can just restore a previous page easily.
Okay. Yeah.
Well, and so I don't have the badges ready yet, but there'll be a couple more. But just the fact that they should be a thumbnail, like it looks like it's a glitch.
Yeah, it's a glitch on the back end. I don't know why. As you can see on the back end, it's nice and tiny and small and very well formatted. And the front end is just giant. So I don't know what's happening here all of a sudden. I'll talk to my developer and ask him. I'll send my developer this video to watch and have him correct all these things. And then also I'll go over every single thing myself with him as we watch the video together to make sure he actually did it.
Yeah, no, fair enough. Okay, so let's go back out here.
Yeah, let go.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, here's the about page again.
Okay. Okay, so then let's just go contact.
Yeah, we went to the contact page already. Went over the contact page several times already.
Oh, that's the contact to the original.
Yeah, that's one that's not working properly.
Okay, fair enough. Okay, let's go back to home.
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna send you the change for the pictures in the
Yep,
back.
no problem at all.
I'd like to see where we can have on find a business, list a business, maybe on the home page where it says refer. So refer a business or refer a business. So someone can click on refer a business and it'll come up and they'll be able to share it to, even through an email, or they can share it to someone's Facebook. Hey, I'm referring you.
Okay. I will look into that. Do you want an actual page on the website for it also? Like, you want to have like under list business, a drop down saying refer a business, and then have a form they can fill out? They can send a thing to a business and put their business email in there, and then say, hey, I found a great website you should list your business on, and then
I like it. For sure.
or maybe refer a business opens up somebody as an email. So the same way the other emails open up for the reviews, just like this here, it'll be drop-down menu, refer a business, and then the refer a business link, all it does is open up an email in the email software for the person and says, and the subject line will be pre-filled out. Hey, I found a great website that you should definitely check out and add your business to, and then it'll have the website link in there.
Okay, and so the website link would be like something at support at the top 3 experts.
Well, it'll be this one here. It'll be this website address here, right here.
Oh, I see. Oh, good. Yeah, I like it. Let's do that.
Okay, I'll get it done.
Okay.
So I got a few more minutes here, then we got to follow up with another phone call here.
Yeah. So the last thing I wanted to do here, go back to the home page. Okay. So we're on the home page. Click at the bottom. So website design.
Yeah.
By Executive Ed.
By me. Yeah.
Yeah. I don't have a problem with that. I just don't want it there.
Okay.
I absolutely don't care. You can put it somewhere. Like I said, I have no problem on promoting you. Let's just find a place for it though that they can click on and it looks like it's designed, maybe a little wee ad at the bottom or something that they can click on, and it just looks a little bit better.
Okay.
Okay. And I think that's everything for now. Let's work on that.
Okay.
We'll get you all of the information for the page changes.
Yep.
And the new logo, and that's it. Thank you for your time.
No problem. And I'll load this video up to Google Drive. It'll be there in about an hour. Okay.
Yeah. No, we appreciate it.
Okay. Thanks a lot, guys.
Yeah, you betcha. Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Oh, just wait. I do have one last thing.
Yep.
On the experts, I got it. If I have a problem with it, I'll talk to you about it later.
Okay. No problem.
Okay. Talk to you later.
Bye.